Hello, everybody. Welcome back to school. And welcome to Mars, which stands for Music and Academics Resisting the System. It's fall 2021, and our theme is Power by Design, Inequity, and Incarceration.
Other themes this semester include systems of power, prison industrial complex, and electricity and circuits.
My name is Mr. Towles. I'll be teaching you math, science, music appreciation, guitars, and bass.
And I'm Ms. Hernandez, going to be teaching you English, social studies, music appreciation, and learning piano alongside with you.
Our essential question for this semester is this: how can balance and imbalance influence power?
I'm going to be looking at it specifically through the lens of the prison industrial complex here in the US.
We will examine who really has the power in society. And we will also see how social power is distributed, and also how it is distributed in electrical circuits.
In social studies, we're going to be looking at how the prison system and reimagining our world without it. We're also going to be looking at how prisons specifically impact and hurt the communities, and how those in power take it away from others. And more importantly, we're going to look at how people have fought back with collective power and action.
In math, we will analyze data to find out how the prison system is designed. And we'll also use statistics to analyze how power is distributed in the system. In science, we will be exploring electricity. What is electricity? Well, we're going to find out, and we'll discover where it comes from and how it behaves. We'll take some time to do some electrifying experiments like this one here. We'll also design and create electrical circuits, which will be somewhat of a metaphor for how power is distributed in society. And then we have our music workshops. You will learn and play some really awesome music along with your classmates and your teachers.
And what's really cool this semester is you're going to get to learn with SF Jazz. So you're going to get some really experienced instructors coming in to help you learn how to play these instruments this semester, and you'll get to perform at their theater. One of those will be the piano and keyboards, and you'll be learning alongside with me.
In my class, you'll be learning to play and develop your skills on guitars and the bass. SF Jazz will be on hand to work with you on vocals and rapping. There's going to be a lot of singing this semester. And we also have Youth Speaks, which will be coming to join us, and they will conduct lyric writing workshops to help you formulate all the lyrics for the exhibition and help you combine all the themes and academics from the semester. And finally, we'll be taking time to learn drum sets. If you're into playing the drums, well, SF Jazz will be here to help you, and I will also be here to coach you. For the exhibition final product, here's what you will do. First, you'll form a band with your classmates. You get to pick and choose who you want to work with. And throughout the semester, what you will do is write a song. You want to take time and develop the music and write the lyrics together. And you'll have plenty of time to work on that. And there'll also be a good amount of time for you all to rehearse with your band here at school and after school. You'll also design a digital media presentation that will accompany your show for the exhibition. And finally, you will perform in front of your classmates and community partners at the SF Jazz Center venue.
On top of the great experience of performing and forming a band, we're hoping to take you guys on some other cool experiences. So a couple field trips, if they're possible, may not happen because of COVID, but if they can happen, we're taking you out to the Bluegrass Festival and the Exploratorium this semester. Additionally, you're going to be reading a class novel this semester, If Beale Street Could Talk, by James Baldwin, which tells the story of a young couple in love who is affected by the prison industrial complex when Fonnie gets sent to jail with no evidence after he's accused of raping someone. So we'll be reading that this semester.
There's some non-negotiables for Mars students. First, every Mars student will write lyrics that directly relate to Mars academic content, even if they're not used at the exhibition.
Every Mars student will choose 1 to 2 instruments to focus on for the semester. Instruments are pianos, vocals, guitars, basses, and drum sets. You don't need any musical experience to join Mars, and all ability levels are welcome.
All Mars students will be in a band, compose a song, and create a digital media presentation for the exhibition.
Every Mars student will be expected to perform at exhibition at the end of the semester.
All Mars students are expected to treat musical instruments, sound equipment, and music accessories with care as if they were their own.
Every Mars student is expected to read and thoughtfully engage with the class novel and any readings.
Finally, all Mars students are expected to participate in group work, to complete math tasks and science experiments.
And the way that you'll earn your credits this semester is 15 per hex semester with 100% attendance, work completion, and participation. You have an opportunity to earn 5 or more with after school practice, SF Jazz, concert attendance, and other opportunities as the semester goes on.
And 12 hours adds up to 1 credit for any outside work that you do. Thank you all for joining us and for being so awesome. And again, welcome back to school.
Looking forward to it.
Take care.